Lows 15 to 20. Northeast winds around 20 miles per hour. Wednesday, snow in the morning, then snow likely in the afternoon. Snow accumulation around 1 inch. Storm total around 13 inches. Highs around 20. North winds around 15 miles per hour. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy. A 20% chance of snow showers in the evening. Lows 5 to 10 above. Northeast winds around 10 miles per hour, shifting to the east after midnight. Thursday, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 20s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Thursday night, mostly cloudy. Lows around 10. Friday through Saturday, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of snow. Highs in the mid-20s. Lows 10 to 15. Saturday night and Sunday, mostly cloudy. Lows 10 to 15. Highs in the mid-20s. Sunday night, mostly cloudy. Lows 15 to 20. Monday, partly sunny with a 20% chance of snow. Highs in the lower 30s. Here are the weather conditions.